Java programming and knowledge of Spring Framework, basic knowledge on Maven. These are the prerequisites. How many of you guys are comfort with Java? At least awareness on Java. No problem. So I will start from core Java, basic Java. We'll spend some couple of hours in Java. Then we will switch our training program to microservices. Okay. Entire team. Can anyone can anyone tell me what is a programming language, or can anyone tell me what is the difference between language and package? You can use chat window, guys. At least idea. I'm not expecting a correct answer. Okay. Nand, you are good in Java, right? Okay, great. So, can anyone, friends, what is the difference between language and package? Just give me your idea. What exactly? Yeah, any daily example, general example also accepted. Yeah, Muthulakshmi was responded. Language is a programming like Java, C, C++. Good, good, Muthulakshmi. I appreciate your answer. Any other alternate answer? Anyone? Lavanya is responded. Package is a folder. Good. I want response from everyone. Good. Nand. Package is a collection or a group of classes. Okay, Nand. Actually, yeah, your answer is pretty good, but I want a definition very basic. Those who don't know, those who don't know C, C++, Java also. Just general example. Everyone should understand here. So Pooja is answered in language. We can create a package. Very good. Lavanya, language is a tool to write a computer program. I appreciate your answers, friends. I'm really appreciating your interaction. Okay. Anyone? Any other? How many participants we have? How many are joined today? Can anyone let me know how many people joined today? 12 people are there actually. But I am getting response only from few people. Manisha not at all responded. Sani, Shipra, Jayshree Washan, Deepesh, Thanya. Please give me your thoughts. Right or wrong, no problem. I just want your intention. Yeah, Shipra responded. Package is used to manipulate data. Agreed? Any other? Okay, no problem. Now, listen to me. Suppose tomorrow is one of our friend's birthday. So, tomorrow is our friend's birthday. We got to know today only. And we are planned to give one ready-made shirt as a gift because we don't have that much time to go for stitching and all. So time is very less. We decided to give one ready-made shirt. So as time is there, we can go for stitching shirt. Here, come to the part. The difference between the language and package is like a stitching ready-made. Stitching shirt is like a language. Ready-made shirt is like a package. Because in the ready-made dress, already someone stitched. We don't know who stitched that particular product. Just after seeing the product, we got to know that yes, it is comfortable for us. And after wearing that, we got to know whether it is comfortable or tight fit or loose fit. But in case of stitching, like a language, I will give my measurements to the tailor. The tailor can stitch my dress according to my requirements, my measurements. Come to the point. A language is a language is set of instructions. A language is set of instructions written in an order to develop application. So, in case of language, we are writing some set of instructions. These set of instructions can be considered as programs. So, we are writing this set of instructions with respect to, in order to develop what we are going to develop, friends, application. So, end of the day, we are here to develop an application. So a programmer has full control in terms of language. But what about package? A package contains a predefined implicit objects which are developed by third-party vendors. These are all predefined implicit objects which has been developed by third-party vendor. And the best example is MS Office, Visual Basic. And here the best example is C, C++, Java, like that. You got my point, friends? Can you please let me know whether you are following or not so that I can move forward? I want a response from everyone so that I can continue. Thank you, all of you. I'm repeating once again. Thank you very much. I'm repeating once again, friends. A language is a set of instructions. Set of instructions are nothing but programs written. Who will write the programs? Programmer will write the program. Programmer will write the set of instructions. For what purpose they will write instructions? To develop application. And the best examples for language is C, C++, and Java. So the concept today here is Java. So we should know what is Java first. So now tell me, friends, Java is a language or a package? Use chart window. My question is, Java is a language or a package? Very good. Good response. Thank you, all of you. So now I have one simple question, friends. End of the day, we are here to develop an application. Now come to me. What is an application? Can anyone please respond? You can use chart window also. What is an application? What is an application? No problem, friends. Right or wrong, no problem. If it is right, we feel happy. If it is wrong, also I can appreciate you. So developed using set of programs. Lavanya, okay. And application is a product developed using language. Agreed. Nand or Nanda? How can I call you? Acha, Nandini. Great. Can I call you Nandini? Thank you. Okay, what about others? I got a response from Lavanya and Nandini. Okay, Shipra. Application is an end product. Okay. Pooja. Perform a task. Okay. Deepesh. Set of programs developed by using some programming language. Appreciable. Appreciable, all of you. So you have some idea what is an application, right? So I would like to define in my own way of style. I'm not saying this is only the definition. This is one of the best definition. An application is can be defined as set of requirement given by the client to meet the, to meet their business needs. So application means it's a set of requirements. Who will give these requirements? Client. For what purpose? To meet their business needs. They have need. They have some requirement. That requirement is going to be outsourced to an esteemed organization like IBM, Wipro, HCL, Deloitte, Emphasis, Capgemini, Atos, Tory Harris, Prilio. Lot of clients are there. Lot of they have their own outsourcing stakeholders. So this set of requirement, they have some set of requirements. Who has given by client? For what purpose? To meet their business needs. Understood, team? Are you following, guys? I hope everyone is following. Right. Great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, I have one simple question. How many types of applications are there? How many types of applications are there? Anyone? How many types of applications are there? Oh, Lavanya, web-based, client-based. Okay. And then web application standalone. Okay. Yeah, I agree. Applications are of three types. First one, standalone application. Next, web application. Next, enterprise application. After that, they subdivided into a lot of things are there. But very beginning, the applications are divided into two types: standalone web application, enterprise application. Can anyone tell me what is standalone? I think Shipra has responded. Desktop. Great. So standalone applications are desktop applications. means single user. They maintain single user, single system application. And what are web applications? Web applications are centralized applications, and enterprise applications are distributed applications. These are all interview questions, friends. I'm giving you interview questions also, so that it is really helpful for you tomorrow at any point of time while you are digging into the project. All these things are very, very important. I hope you're, I suggest note these points if you require. Does it make sense, all of you? Respond. Thank you. So, repeating once again, there are three different types of applications. One is standalone application, web application, enterprise application. The standalone are desktop-based single user, and web applications are centralized applications, multi-users. Distributed applications are enterprise applications, multi-users. And both these applications, they follow one common architecture called MVC. How many of you ever MVC architecture? How many of you are? Yes, Lavanya, correct. Model view controller. Nandini, right. What about others? Use chat window, guys. If yes or no, no problem. So that I got to know that. So Lavanya, Nandini, okay. Pooja, you are not aware. No issues. Appreciable. Supra, you are aware. What about others? Yashina, model view control. Correct. Okay, Muthalakshmi, you heard. Sunny, not sure. No problem. Deepesh, yes. So most of you aware on model view controller. Again, I will explain you from scratch. Don't worry. But model view controller, M stands for model, V view, C for controller. Means, for example, if you are developing an application, the application is going to be divided into three different layers. The first one is data layer, that is called model layer, which you are going to use any database like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, etc. That is database layer. The other second one is presentation layer. This is called, in other words, we are going to call it as a view. So, like HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, all this stuff will come under views. Yeah, correct, Lavanya. And the third one is business logic layer. It is nothing but controller. Simply we can use Java, backend programming, Spring, Boot, etc. So this is called model view controller. You can use servlets and JSP also. Following, friends, all of you? Good. Appreciable, all of you. Yeah, Shipra. Sure. Centralized and distributed means, for example, today we are running one training center, and I am running the training center only in one location. Suppose, say for example, Bangalore, and in Bangalore, I am running this training center in Electronic City. Now, students are very happy with my session. So through word of mouth, they referred plenty of people, and many people are happy to join my session from across locations. Now, today, my application, see, I have only one training center, and I'm maintaining all the student details and course details in one server, which is single server that is centralized. Now, my business is expanded. I open multiple branches in Bangalore, like different areas, not only in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, different fortune cities. I open my branches. Now, each and every branch, I should maintain one server. Now, I have multiple servers. This is called distributed application. So, an application which maintains a single server, that application will be considered as a centralized application. It's called web-based application. And an application which maintains multiple servers, each and every zones. And all these multiple servers will be integrated in one common server, that is main server, that is called distributed applications, and we are going to call it as enterprise applications. And the best example for this is IRCTC, Indian Railways. So if you want to book the ticket at any place or any point of time, I can book anywhere, but that railway has multiple zones, north zone, south zone, like that. Each and every zone, they have multiple servers are there. End of the day, all these servers will be integrated in one main server, host server, and it will be replicated entire website. I hope it is clear. Thank you. What about Shipra? Shipra, are you there? Yeah, both are different. Great. Now, thank you. Now, friends, I have a simple question. I told nowadays no one are using desktop or desktop applications. We are all using web applications and our enterprise applications. Now, these two has a common functionality called MVC architecture, and one more common thing is both will have so client server. It is both are client server based applications. Now I have one question. Can anyone please tell me what is a client? What is a client? And what is a server? Anyone can you can use chat window. Client and server. Actually CLIENT. What is a client and server? Anyone from my team? Think and answer, no problem. Right or wrong, no problem. Yeah, Nandini has responded. Client or system which gets service from the server. Okay, Nandini, I appreciate your answer. What about Jay Srivas? Client is user and they request for data. Yeah, Jaya also correct. And Shipra client who requests the service. Yeah, server talks request from the client. Who's right? Correct. Nandini, service providers. Lavanya, right. So, all of you, I'm really happy with your answers. Let us come to the point. Client, server, both are systems or components. So client always request the resource from server. And what server will do? Server will give response back to the client. So what is the mode of communication between client and server? Request and the response mode of communication. Assume that you're all team members or clients. I'm the server. If you have any doubt, you have to request me. Sir, I have a doubt. Can you please clarify? How Shipra is asking just now. So what I will do, I will receive your request. I will think and I will give the solution back to the concerned person. Similarly, the server will respond back to the appropriate client. Now, one question here. How many types of servers are there? How many types of servers? Any idea, friends? How many types of servers are there? You can just respond, no? 1, 2, or 3. Yes, Nandini. Okay. Web server, proxy server. Okay. Lavanya, web mail. Yes. So, Shipra and Nandini, I appreciate your answers. Pooja, Lavanya, you're right. Uh, at actually, very beginning, the servers are categorized into two types: web server and application server. Web server, application server. Web server means which contains only web container, whereas application server contains web container and EJB container. What is EJB? Anyone have an idea? EJB stands for appreciate. Very good. Nandini and Shikha. The enterprise Java beans. So a server which contains only web container is called web server, and the server which contains both web and EJB containers will be considered as application server. The best example for web server is Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat. Have you heard? In JWS, Java Web Server. And the example for application servers are JBoss, WebLogic, Glassfish. These all comes under. Yes, Lavanya. For all the necessary components, it will support that runtime. Correct. So are you clear, guys, about servers, web server and application server? Please respond. I'm not getting response from Danya, Manisha. Okay, thank you. Now actual point I'm coming now. Till now we didn't start Java. So to start Java, we should aware on all these things, friends. All things are required. See, my session is totally different. I'm completely dedicated to practical oriented session, which is project perspective, which is really helpful for your application development. So before starting Java, you should aware what is language, package, application, types of applications, and what about MVC? What is a client, server, types of servers? These things we discussed. Now come to the point. So as the majority of the participants they know the Java. Now I have a question. What is the definition of Java? But first we'll discuss a C language is there in the market. Why we switch to C++? Use chart window. Uh, Nandini has responded because of oops. Shipra. I am asking the difference between C and C++. I think both languages are platform dependent. I want the difference between C and C++. Okay, agreed. Oops is 1 point. Okay, any other point? No problem. C is a general purpose language. So it's a very general purpose language which is used to develop one second. General purpose language which is used to develop standalone applications. Uses library functions. Okay. Nandini, no pointers in C++. Okay. It's a procedural language. Puja. Okay. Uh, Nandini, are you sure? There are no pointers in C++. Are you sure? Okay. Check and let me know tomorrow. Okay. Now, C is a general purpose language which is used to develop standard applications, whereas C++ is a domain based partial object oriented, not fully, so partially object oriented programming language and which is used to develop domain based applications. Then I want to know the difference between C++ and Java now at your point. Now tell me. Yeah, Lavanya, I agree your point. C++ uses new delete operators, memory management. Correct. Yes. Nandini, platform independent. Shipra, now your point is correct. Earlier you told no? Platform independent. So Java is a completely, yeah, C++ is a hybrid language, but Java is completely object oriented. How many of you agree Java is 100% object oriented? Only two? What about others? What about Shipra? I agree Shipra answer. It is not 100%. 97 or 98%. Java is not 100% object oriented. Okay. If anyone asks this question also, because we develop a lot of applications, we got to know that Java is not 100% good language. Yes, it uses primitive data types, lot of ambiguities, so many circumstances. So correct. Good. Very good, friends. I really appreciate you, all of you. Now my question is, can anyone define what is Java? Now, your chance. Anyone? I want the definition of Java. Guys, are you able to see my screen? My screen is visible, right? Please respond. Jay Srinivasan, Java is a class-based programming language, but even I can write classes in C++ also, right? Even in C++ also, I can write classes, no? Not only in Java. Yes, I am expecting that answer. Creating web-based applications. Okay, does not use pointers. And Java is a general-purpose programming language. Group language that supports web-based, yes, web-based application. So, I got your answers. So I'm going to give one of the best definition. Can I give the definition of Java? One of the best definition. You know already, but you add this definition also. So Java is an object-oriented, network-centric, and platform-independent language. I'm repeating once again. Java is an object-oriented, network-centric, and platform-independent language. Listen to me, all of you. Whenever you are defining any definition, your definition should be shorthand and you have to use some technical terms. End of the day, your definition should be meaningful. So in our case, our definition is shorthand or not? Yes, it is a shorthand. Now, how many technical terms are used? Three technical terms are used. End of the day, it is meaningful or not? Yes, it is meaningful. Now, repeating once again, Java is an object-oriented, network-centric, and platform-independent language. So, what is platform-independent? Can anyone? Yes, we can run on any operating system. So, the very wonderful feature is we can run Java applications on any operating systems like Windows, Unix, Linux, Solaris, Macintosh, CentOS, Ubuntu, like that plenty of operating systems are there. So the platform independent, a platform is a combination of hardware and software which we can run our applications. But we are happy to say that Java is a platform independent. We can run our Java applications on any operating systems like Windows, Unix, Linux, Solaris, Macintosh, CentOS, Ubuntu, even Android. But JVM is valid. I'll come to you what is JVM. So platform independent. Is it clear, all of you? Thank you, all of you. Once I receive the response from you only, then only I will continue. Otherwise, I didn't get know whether you are following or not. So I request all of you, whenever I ask a question, please respond. So platform independent, thank you. And the network centric means Java has a wonderful feature called network. It supports socket programming, and it will support socket programming, and it can handle remote based applications with respect to RMI, remote method invocation. So Java has a wonderful feature called RMI, remote method invocation. And come to this point, oops. Before we are discussing about oops, I just want to discuss with you what is an object. Can anyone tell me what is an object? General, non-technical. Lavanya is saying holds data. Okay. Okay. Instance of a class. Lakshmi, technically it's an instance of a class. Agreed. Correct. So I will define object in two ways. One is non-technically a real world entity. An object is a real world entity. It's a non-technical definition. And technically it is an instance of a class. An object is an instance of a class. Then what is a class? A class is a blueprint of an object. So class is a blueprint of an object. So we got to know what is the definition of object and class. See, I will tell you. For example, you seen the rubber stamp? So the rubber stamp is like a class, and seal, no, I can put any number of seals. It's an object. So from a class, I can create any number of objects. Similarly, from a rubber stamp, I can put any number of seals. Agreed or not? Similarly, like that, in a single class, I can create any number of objects. Concept is clear, friends? I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you, all of you. So, as today is the first day, I would like to hold this session today. So it's almost 1 hour here. So what we discussed today is we start our discussion just recalling the session, language and package, stitching shirt and ready-made shirt. And a language is a set of instructions written in order to develop an application. Examples are this one. And package means a predefined implicit objects which are already being developed by third-party vendors. For example, MS Office. If you see MS Office, there is Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And if you see that is auto shapes are there. Have you seen auto shapes in MS Word? Circle, square, like that. If I want a circle, I just drag and drop it. It's a package, but I can change till some extent because it's a package. It has some boundaries. But if same circle, if I write a program piece of code, I can change according to the requirement. That is the power of language. And what is an application we discuss? Types of applications: standalone, web-based, not MVC, client server. And moving forward, what are the three layers and types of servers and examples? Then we start the discussion about C, C++, and Java. And we just discussed the definition of Java. Still we are in definition of Java. And we discussed what is object and class. Alright friends, I'm going to just stop the session today. And you share your questions. If any you have any questions, you can share and talk to the management. And why can't we create one WhatsApp group for healthy discussions? If you have any doubts, also we can have a good chat. So check with your management and create one WhatsApp group immediately. It's my sincere suggestion to all of you. And management once agreed, no, us have to create a group and we'll take it forward accordingly. Okay, guys. So any questions? Just because see, first day itself I cannot take it more. Slowly we'll go one by one improvement. I hope you're enjoying the session. Okay, so stay back to the place and yeah, whoops and all tomorrow I'll take it. Manisha.